Okay, let's see if I can do this without getting stuck here. This is a little saucy. Just really hope we can make it down this road without anyone coming our way, because there's nowhere to pull over that's not really soft and muddy. So we're gonna see how this goes. Kelly's gonna lead the way here. That went smooth. This road is actually very nice hard-packed gravel. It's just anything off to the side is really muddy right now. See a lot of deep tracks of people that had to veer off there. So we're glad there's no oncoming traffic. We're just about to hit pavement up here. That was actually an awesome little spot. If we didn't have a timeline, we probably would have stayed, especially if the weather was going to be a little better. Bit of fog up here in the hills. This is an epic drive. We will be coming back through Georgia in the spring. That's kind of why we're being a little hasty as well. But this is just amazing. The Chattahoochee National Forest. It's the Appalachian Trail trailhead here. Hikers getting ready. Ooh, that fog is getting thick. Well, it is nice to see all of the green. This looks like our turn here. Came up fast. Oconee River Recreation Area. There is a little campground up here. We're going to check it out. I believe it is a Forest Service campground. That is $3 a night. We're not for sure if we're going to stay. We're going to check it out. See a sign that says flash flood area. It's the kind of thing we're worried about. Got a copy there, camper? All right, well, we decided we're going to stay at this little campground. And since it's free with our passes, we may even end up staying more than a night or two. Let's see if we can situate ourselves so both vans can fit in here. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, well, it looks like we're in luck. Our America the Beautiful pass is honored here, so we can stay for free. Good deal. All right, I think we picked a spot here. It took a little deciding. We tried one and it was not level enough, so I was able to find a couple pieces of wood to level me out here. And Kelly's just over here adjacent. And this be our little spot. Got a nice little table, fire ring. There is quite a bit of firewood at each of the sites. I'm going to collect it all up, but it's pretty wet from the rain. But if we stay here a couple days, it may dry out enough to where we can use it. I'll split it up into smaller pieces. And here I am. A little secret stash box in the tree. Look at that. Ah! It's like in there. We are waking up to a beautiful morning this morning. It is starting to clear up. Seeing some blue sky up there. After a day of rain yesterday, so it's a very welcome sight. Spot is working out okay. It's pretty quiet here. No one really came in here. We've got the whole campground to ourselves. And it's fairly quiet. The highway is pretty close by, and there must be some sort of bridge or big bump in the road, because when the trucks go by you hear like a big boom. Almost sounds like an explosion. But other than that, it's very peaceful here. You can see the river through the trees from our campsite. And we're just loving it here. So we'll probably stay another night or two. Who knows? We may be here for a whole week. We're just rolling with it. That's when it's the best. Kelly's over there mixing up us a breakfast. What you making over there, Kelly?
It's kind of like a Southwest scramble.
That sounds good.
We have some green onions and country ham and potatoes, kind of like a tater tot, and eggs.
Is there peppers in there?
Of course.
Who diced up all those peppers and ham and onions?
The perfectly diced up peppers by the cameraman.
You must have done a good job. I bet
you did okay.
I bet you'll cook them up real good. It smells yummy. There it is. That scramble is looking good. This is the new favorite sriracha sauce here, this Yellowbird brand. Super tasty. Going in. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to give you guys an update here real quick about what's been going on with me behind the scenes. I feel like I've been a little distracted and under a little bit of stress. It's kind of had an effect on my videos, but what's going on is I am in the market for a new vehicle. I've been in this mind frame for a while now, the last year or so. And a lot of you know I recently put a rebuilt transmission in this van, kind of reluctantly, because I knew in the back of my head I was going to be wanting to look for something slightly different. I've been really thinking about getting into a different type of platform of van, a box van, short box van, or even step van, possibly even a short school bus. And doing a lot of research on the pros and cons of each one of those. It's looking like the box van is kind of what I really would like. It's just a matter of finding the right one, the right size, the right condition and all that. So I'm going to try to do this on the road while I'm in Florida. It's going to be challenging, juggling two vehicles, trying to transition into the new one and sell this one or get rid of this one, however I decide to do that. So it's probably going to involve me getting a storage place for one of the vehicles. So that's what's going on. It's probably going to happen in North or Central Florida, and I'm actively looking into different vehicles. I'm probably going to be checking some out here in the next few days. So that's what's going on. I'll probably do a separate video going into more detail about this van and how I'm going to make it available. So if any of you out there are interested or know someone that's looking for an older van, I'll be sharing more information and letting you know more about how things are progressing with the van that I'm looking for. So kind of some big changes. I'm excited about it, nervous and stressed at the same time, but it's going to be a challenge for sure, doing it on the road. My last transition from my older van into this one I did in my hometown in San Diego, so that was helpful to have friends and family to fall back on. But this is going to be a new adventure for me. I really appreciate you all joining me on this journey and adventure. I've been at this van thing since 2014. The beginning of 2014, I moved into full-time into the old Dodge van that I had, and van dwelled static in San Diego, California for a year, and then I hit the road and started doing seasonal jobs, and here we are, fast forward 2021. It's crazy, it's been that many years, and I still want to live in a van. I just feel like it's time after all these years to kind of get into a slightly different platform. So that's what's happening. Hope you all are doing well out there, and I look forward to bringing you up to date in the next video. Take care. Peace.